So what we've got laid here in front of us is a S-Mart set up for a 1250. So we have the fan unit, which is it's got the 1250 fan in it. This installation has a hydraulic coil which just slides into the front there, in front of the fan. You can see the fan in there. And then we have the main PC board, which is what controls the fan speed. So you're wiring in from your thermostats into the bottom here. And then out of here, we're running out of here in the cooling or heating. For this example, is boiler. So we run one circuit for boiler, another circuit to the condensers to run the interfaces for the cooling capacity. There on the back is an extension box for the return air system and the coils. So we have the main box, we have these attachments on the side. So these boxes here have been designed so they can be bolted on either three sides for the installation, or this is a vertical scenario where you have the box standing up vertically and then we bolt the attachments onto the side of that. So in the bottom of the unit we have these attachment boxes or coil boxes. We have a drip tray, so obviously we put the drain into there. Then we have our coil. Now the coil just slides in. And in there we have locations for the suction probe as well as the mid-coil probe. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.